Khadlaj Island Dreams is a Dubai-made extrait de parfum that aims to bottle the vibe of a luxury beach vacation without the luxury price tag. Retailing around $40, it's positioned as a tropical alternative to designer summer staples like Creed Virgin Island Water or Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. The scent opens with a bright citrusy splash and spicy warmth, then settles into a musky ambroxan-rich base that gives it a clean, oceanic finish. It is unisex, energetic, and surprisingly smooth for its price. Performance is solid, projection is moderate, longevity locks in at 6 to 8 hours, and the dry down stays fresh without turning synthetic. The bottle design is sleek, and the atomizer delivers a fine mist. Details often skipped in budget releases. While it doesn't have the layering complexity of $200 plus or $100 plus summer scents, it nails the tropical DNA and feels wearable in both casual and semi-formal settings. Khadlaj Island Dreams isn't a clone, it's a standalone scent that punches above its price. If you're chasing summer vibes without draining your wallet, this is a legit contender. Not a scam, not a knockoff, just a sleeper hit from the UAE fragrance scene.